Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang yung energy update ngayong June 1 to 15, 2024. Ayan, so if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pin comment para kayo ay makapag-book. Okay, so let's see, Leo. What's up? Energy update June 1 to 15 for Leo. Oh, this is transformation, endings and new beginnings, reinvention. So, maaring ngayong first half ng June, something is ending, like a chapter in your life, and starting something new. Yes. So, shedding old skin, kumbaga. It's like a new experience nag-unfold para sa'yo. Let's see what else. You have the sun. Oy, ang ganda naman ito. Kung kayo ay nakaranas ng challenges in the past, so ngayong first half ng June, ito na yung brighter side, no? Patapos na yung challenges na yan. It's time for you to embrace happiness, good news, and be back in your own power. The sun is about confidence, clarity. So, you have the 5 of Cups. I think you are leaving this situation na sa tingin mo is hindi na sa'yo helpful, hindi na masaya. Maaring meron kang mga bagay na in-important, let's say relationship, trabaho, business, career, na parang it went to waste. Kumbaga nasayang yung effort mo na yon. But it doesn't mean na magmumukmuk ka na lang, no? It doesn't mean na hanggang doon na lang. Kasi you are still moving on. You are still moving forward. You are hopeful. Alam mo na there is a brighter side. Para yung rainbow after the rain. You have the 8 of Pentacles. You are working on yourself. Talagang maaring meron kang dinidevelop pa sa sarili mo. Personal development can mean yung skills mo, no? Or also yung pananaw mo sa buhay. You are very positive na pagdating sa pananaw. Very optimistic ka ngayon kahit na nagkaroon ng mga challenges sa past. Kumbaga nasa tapos na yun para sa'yo, and you are now embracing a new chapter in your life with so much confidence, no? Masayang-masaya ka. And with the 8 of Pentacles, I think you're going to keep yourself busy. Part ng pag-move on mo ay yung pagiging busy mo sa trabaho. Speaking of trabaho, you have the 6 of Wands. This is success, recognition sa work mo. Maaring ikaw ay makikilala sa iyong mga ginagawa sa trabaho, sa business, sa career. This is also popularity. You have the Strength card. Very strong ang energy ninyo, Leo, kasi nandito yung dalawa yung cards. The Sun and the Strength card. So, some of you, possible na isa sa naging challenge ninyo nung nakaraan related sa trabaho. Pero, you remain strong. Diba? You have the Emperor. This is the feminine energy. You are now in control of your life, of your career, of your business. So, maari kasi yung iba, limitado kayo sa trabaho, sa business ninyo, and then you realize na kailangan may i-let go kayo para mas ma-explore nyo pa yung inyong opportunity sa work, sa career, sa business. So, ngayon, you are going to be in control of your career, of your money. Sa love life naman, you have the Ace of Cups. Well, merong kayong admirer, or if you are already in a relationship, I think mas magiging closer kayo ng person mo because of good communication. Maaring mas magiging expressive kayo of your feelings for each other. But if you're single, I see a potential romantic partner. Pwedeng merong crush. Oo, may nagkaka-crush or merong nai-inspire sa inyo. Can be someone sa work rin. But I feel like this person, kung single ka, pwedeng kilala mo na to. Pwedeng matagal mo nang kilala and over time na develop. Pwede tong mag-express ng feelings towards you. Justice, ayan, makukuha mo na ang katarungan na dinideserve mo. Kung meron mang mga bagay na hindi naging maayos for you, na feeling mo hindi mo dinideserve, then ngayong first half ng June, you will see your redemption. Kumbaga, may mga mapapatunayan ka sa buhay mo na ito yung gusto kong mangyari, ito yung gusto kong ma-experience, and then yun yung makukuha mo because you deserve it. Okay? Psychic protection, you are protected. Maari kasing meron mga tao sa paligid mo na they want you na mag-fail, no? Pero you are strong enough para mag-succeed, para mag-bounce back, para bumalik dun sa glory mo, no? Lalo na kung ito, I feel like meron ka mga tinanggal na tao sa buhay mo na you feel na hindi mo din deserve, and you deserve someone, can be someone na na-appreciate ka, or a career trabaho na na-appreciate ka. So ngayon, you are going to be very creative. Marami kang malalaman or matutuklasan pa about your talents, about your skills na pwede mong gamitin, no, to improve your life, to develop yourself. Kumbaga you will realize, magaling ka palang mag-paint, or you can also use your talents and skills para sa isang business, no? Na kung saan mas mapapaunlad mo yung sarili mo financially. Merong choices, oo. Maaring kailangan mong mag-decide onto something. Can be career. Tingnan natin in what area of your life itong decision making na to. Second house. This is about your income, your finances. Siguro de-decide ka ano yung kailangan mong ayusin pagdating sa pagmamanage mo ng pera. Ano yung dapat mong gawin to increase your income. You are going to have more network connections, no? Dadami yung friends mo. Maaring may mga sa part ng pagiging busy mo is meeting new people, no? May mga makikilala kang bagong connections, tao sa buhay mo. There are still times na you will feel parang mag-aalala ka kung tama ba yung decision mo. Pero importante dyan, kalmahan mo lang. Wag kang magpapadala sa stress or anything na mag-aalala ka lang, no? I feel like you are finally in control of your life, like what I told you kanina. You are breaking free. Okay? Breaking free from a toxic environment, a toxic relationship, a toxic career, to start something new. Let's see what else. Breathe. This moment matters most. How can you focus on the moment and appreciate all that is well? Yes. Ayan yung kailangan natin kapag things are getting stressful. Huminga ng malalim. Inhale, exhale. Ayan. And focus on ano yung kailangan mong bigyan ng attention sa moment na yan. Kumbaga yung para sa susunod na araw, wag mo munang isipin ngayon. Isipin mo muna kung ano yung kailangan mong ma-accomplish ngayon. And everything will be alright. Okay? So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Bye.